Okay, so it is actually really good to vlog on the camera. It's lightweight and also it's pretty easy because you can just put it on your pocket. But you might want to add a few more accessories to your vlogging kit, instead of using just a camera, like, a proper mic or at least a stand. So at least you can hold your phone in a very comfortable position while having this angle view. Well, with the iPhone 13, it's actually pretty easy because you already have a wide angle view. But if you really want to add a little bit more depth to that, you can actually buy a small vlogging kit. Now, here's the thing. There's a lot of things these days that are actually pretty expensive, and what with the pandemic now, it's actually really good to purchase something that's actually really cheap. So come with me right now and I'll actually show you where to actually buy one here in Australia. Okay, so off to get that item, but first off, groceries. Log out. Cheap vlogging kit. Just $15. Okay, so we're back. You know what I really don't get though? How come a piece of potato already costs me $1.02? It's just ridiculous. It's so expensive. Okay. Oh, hold on. Okay, so I'm introducing to you the Kmart Vlogger Kit, which just costs around $15, which is actually very cheap. Now, let's see what's inside. Okay, so, we have a complete set here. So you've got your tripod / your grip there, you've got your phone holder, you've got your light, also your mic as well. And added to that, the one that just fell off is a 3.5mm headphone jack. Now combined with your new iPhone 13 or 13 Pro or Max or what have you, I think this can actually fit a little bit larger phone. So right now I'm fitting this iPhone 13 Pro, so as you can see right now it fits, and it still has enough real estate, I think, for an iPhone 13 Pro Max. Well, you know what? Hold on. Let me just get my wife's phone. We can actually measure it. Okay. All right. So here's an iPhone 13 Pro Max. Well, unfortunately, we can't fit that in with this one now, can we? Now, let us just put this thing here. Yeah, it fits really well. Okay, so it actually fits the iPhone 13 Pro Max. So now let's just try and reconnect everything. Okay, so grabbing the holder right here. So this is a holder / grip. So there's a button right here. So it's actually a 2-finger button. So all you have to do is press that and it'll adjust. Basically, like I said, this is form of a tripod as well. So you can leave it like so if you want to take picture selfies or whatnot. And again, if you want to readjust, there's always that. All right, now let's try and do this selfie mode now, shall we? So basically, I think I'm right. I think it should be like this, because if you're vlogging, you're gonna have to hold it like that. Put that in there. It actually has a good groove in here that fits on your hands as well. So it's a good grip. Okay, so you've got your iPhone 13 Pro here. What would you like? Would you like the complete set? Let's do the complete set. Let's put a light on it. Is this one. Ooh, very interesting. You see, this light actually has 3 horseshoe mounts. It has one here, and also one here. So as you can look at it, you can actually put pretty much anything here. So you can put this, which is your mic, over here, like so, like that. You can have a setup like this, so it's not too big. Or you could, or if you wanted to put it on top, you can actually do that as well. And if you want as well, you can put it on the other side. So it's really interesting to consider a vlogging kit like this. The thing is, we still need to connect this mic to of course, the phone. Now, like any other new iPhones, you actually need to have one of these. So, connect the dongle here. And then, so since the dongle is on this side, I'm going to put the mic on this side. There we go. Okay, I think that's good. I just used the supply ties on the cord itself just so it wouldn't be too much of a hassle. Okay, so it only has one temperature here, but again, if you want, you can actually use a different light instead on connecting to here, because there's a horseshoe mount here, so you can try to connect a different light if you have one available already. So you can actually increase the intensity of the light, see, and decrease it as well. Okay, so how does it handle? Okay, so let's try and test it right now. Let me just try and make a simple recording. All right, so this is how we do it. Hey, what is up guys? My name is Paul and welcome back to the channel. So how do you like this simple vlogging kit that actually just costs you around $15? Anyway guys, that is it. Check this out. So again, this vlogging kit only costs around $15, and you not only get the grip, you have a grip that turns into a stand, a mic, and also a light as well. Now let's test if the mic is actually working. Okay, so this is the sound of the mic right now. I'm not sure how I sound right now. How do I sound to you? Testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. Let me just take the mic out for a second just to be sure. Okay, so I've just taken out the mic. So how do I sound right now? Again, testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. So that's basically it. Okay guys, so this is your $15 smartphone setup that I actually just bought from Kmart. Now in the US, I'm not pretty sure if they sell these kinds of products, but let me just check for you what I can find that's actually a bit cheaper, and as well as a startup vlogging kit. Hey guys, so this is Future Paul talking to you right now. So I had to re-edit this video because since I'm living in Australia, well, the problem is the products that I found that should be for you guys in America are actually posted here in Australia. So I did my own research again. So I found this DigiPower Go Viral, which is actually really good for your smartphone as, you know, as an entry vlogger. So this one actually will cost you around $25, $24.99 to be exact. But I've also found something cheaper than the video vlog kit that I've just introduced to you. Now, this is actually called the 5 Below Smartphone Vlogging Kit, which actually just costs around $10, which is very cheap. It's actually cheaper than the one that I just offered. That's here in Australia from Kmart. Anyways guys, that's about it. Thank you very much for tuning in. How do you like my cheap vlogging setup that only costs you around $15 or so? Yeah, so in my opinion, it's actually a very good setup for the startup vlogger. If you're just starting to vlog on YouTube and you're actually on a budget, you can actually just purchase this at the nearest Kmart or Amazon store in the US. Yeah, might as well just go with a startup like this. You already have your light, your mic, and also a very good grip that can double as a stand as well. Anyways guys, I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, click that like button, and also help us out by subscribing so you can see more of these videos, and click that bell icon for any more future notifications. Until then, I'll see you guys on the next vid.